What's going on? Fresh off the plane from Cali. The first repair, I still gotta unpack my tools, but this is what we are working on. I was gonna be getting some new spark plugs, some new coils when lifting. It's funny, they had to call me to the baggage claim so I can get my own shit. They said it was too heavy. Pretty simple procedure. Once you remove this air box with the 8mm around the hose clamps, it's going to be 10mm on each ignition coil. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Be best also if you have like a can of air to kind of clean up around there. That way no debris gets into the crevices of the spark plugs or anything like that. Across this country, mending pieces in between. Now when getting to this side right here, you're going to need to move this hose out the way. It's 2 screws right here, one right there, one right there, to access this one closest to the front. Just like that, we are good to go. Look at them old plugs.